Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, we all knew that it was not going to be long before the Igwefi of the Igbo race, Nnamdi Kanu, came into the Ekweremadu Yawa. So now of course he has now come into throwing his own narrative. So with that guys, I bring you this. Nnamdi Kanu says incident on Senator Ekweremadu is a courageous act. So that's the headline. Nnamdi Kanu says incident on Senator Ekweremadu was a courageous act. So that's the headline. Now to the body of exactly what Nnamdi has to say. Nnamdi Kanu has finally reacted to the incident on former Deputy Senate President Ekweremadu in Germany by members of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. Recall that it was reported that the senator representing Enugu West District was invited as a guest of honor to the second annual Igbo Cultural Festival, which was held in Nuremberg, and he was confronted by IPOB members. Reacting to the incident, Nnamdi Kanu described it as courageous, which will serve as a polite warning to those engaged in selling the collective interest of the Igbos to the Fulani Caliphate. He tweeted, "The courageous act of the IPOB in Nuremberg, Germany is a polite warning to those engaged in selling our collective interest to the Fulani Caliphate. Nwodo, Igbo governors are warned." So this is now him now signaling his approval, of course, of now this goings on in Germany, in Nuremberg. Of course, the narrative is already well known to you, and if the narrative is not well known to you, then just go down a couple of videos in my streamline, and you'll see all the videos that I've already done to describe the build-up to this incident and what happened, etc., and the reactions to it. So this is now another further reaction, really the reaction that everybody has been looking forward to. So we've been waiting to hear what this character Nnamdi Kanu has to say about this goings on, and this is now his own position. We of course already knew, at least we were of the opinion that he will be approving of this goings on, because he is quite of that mindset. So this tallies with his own worldview, and I'm not quite sure if he signaled this incident or is he approving it as an afterthought, but whatever it is, his approval is now clear and unequivocal. So now this is now Nnamdi Kanu rather's position, but what is your position? Conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. Nnamdi has spoken, what says you? But before you come have your say in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come let me know what your thoughts are regarding all this yawa goings on in Germany in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.